How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily turn on professional mode on Facebook. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just select your profile icon at the top right corner and right below the messenger logo. And once you're inside here, select profile section, and finally click on this three dot icon right next to your edit profile button over here, and you can see there will be option that is turn on professional mode. So just make sure to tap on this and just click on turn on. You have unlocked more tools on your profile to help you grow your public presence and achieve your goals. So you can just tap on next just like this, and just click on public to make sure your profile is visible to all of the public, and just click on confirm. You can also edit these settings later on over here. And once you click on next, finally just tap on this go to professional dashboard, and just like that you have successfully turned on the professional mode on Facebook. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.